Hey guys, this is Poojashree and welcome back to my channel Passion Fruit. First of all guys, I keep telling this, those who are new to my channel, first of all go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my future video uploads. So guys, today's video is a very cute video indeed because I'm going to show you a very cute cupcake nail art. I think I have uploaded a picture of the same cupcake nail art that I'm going to show you guys today 1.5 years back on my Instagram feed. And a few of you guys must have checked my profile and you guys are pinging me like how to get this nail art done. So I thought why not make a small video and show you guys how to get it done. So today's video is all about that. So let's not waste any further time and get started with the video. So the first nail paint that I'm going to use is from Color Essence and the name of the shade is Crimson Orange. I'm just going to apply a single coat of this nail paint. To make the cupcakes, I will be using these three different kinds of nail art tools. The first nail paint shade that I'm going to use is from Oshia and the name of the color is Blue Touch. Using this brush, I'm going to paint the bottom part of my nails. You can even make use of the nail polish brush to do the same. And I'm going to do the same for all the other nails. I'm applying a second coat of the nail polish to the bottom of my nails. I'm using the Revlon nail polish in the shade 530 and I'm using a very thin brush to make stripes on the bottom section of my nails to form the base of the cupcake. Once it has dried, I'm applying a second coat. That's how the base of the cupcake looks like. Trust me guys, it doesn't need to be perfect. Next I'm using the shade number 133 from Elite Teen. And with the help of a dotting tool like this, I'm going to do the cupcake frosting or icing, whatever you want to call it. Start making dots from the edge and then move towards the top, but I figured out that the dotting tool I was using was thin, so I decided to use a thicker dotting tool. Once the outer section is done, fill in all the blanks using the white nail polish. We are going to repeat the same process for all of our nails and get the frosting. how it looks once the frosting is done. Next, I'm going to use the shade number 06, that is the deep red from Maybelline, and with the help of a thin dotting tool, I'm going to make a small cherry on the top of the frosting of the cupcake. I'm making the cherry on top of the frosting for the other nails. I'm using the shade number 124 from Elitine, which is a very dark blue shade which is very close to black nail paint, and giving a stroke on top of all the cherries. Our cupcake nail paint is almost done. And for the last step, to create the sprinkles on the frosting of the cupcake, I'm going to use the same Blue Touch nail paint from Oshia and the Sally Hansen nail paint. The shade name is Tickled Pink, and creating the sprinkles on the frosting on all of my nails. Voila! The cupcake nail art is done. Isn't it looking super cute? But in order to keep your nail art more secure, you need to apply a top coat. And here I will be using the shade number 101 Crystal Clear from Maybelline and secure my cupcake nail art.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if so, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and families, and very importantly, hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos that I'll upload in the recent future. And guys, one of the very important thing is that you have to subscribe to the channel. It happens that many people do watch the videos but they don't subscribe, but please do subscribe. It's my humble request, because then we'll get to know that you actually do like our videos. And also do comment if you have any queries regarding this video or any other videos of mine. So signing off for today guys. Bye bye, take care.